So I'm gonna teach you about Java. So yeah, if you guys willing to know about this programming language, it's quite popular programming language as far as we know. Yep. So what is Java? I've got some notes, so I'm just gonna share my notes with you guys. Okay. Java is a programming language, and Java is used to develop mobile app, web app, desktop app, games, and much more. So, what is Java? Java is actually a programming language that is um, sorry, used to develop mobile app, web applications, desktop applications, games, and much more. Yep. So, before that, I'll just write down Java is popular language. Java is popular programming language. So what is Java? Java is popular programming language. Java is used to develop mobile application, web application, desktop application, games, and much more. So Java was created in 1995. It is owned by Oracle, and more than 3 billion devices run Java. So it is used for mobile application, especially Android apps, desktop application, web server. So in much more, it could be like web server and application server, database connection, much more, much more, like games and etc. So created in 1995. 1995, owned by Oracle, and 3 billion devices run Java. So alright, I'll just keep this one here, this one here, and do you guys know why we use Java? Like there are several other programming languages as well, but like why do we use Java? So Java works on different platform because it's a platform independent, so it can work on Windows, Mac, Linux, Raspberry Pi, etc. It is one of the most popular programming languages in the world as well. It is easy to learn and simple to use, and it is open source and free as well. It is secure, fast, and powerful. It has a huge community support, like tens of millions of developer. you will That's the benefit of using Java. You can get Java is an object-oriented language which gives a clear structure to programs and allow code to be reused, lowering development costs. Java is close to C++ and C Sharp. It means it is easy for programmers to switch to Java or vice versa. So I'll just write a question here. Why we use Java? Sorry. So Java is platform independent. So Java is platform independent that works on various, that means it works on different operating system, different devices like that, like Windows, Macs, Linux, Raspberry Pi, etc. etc means like different, there could be many more operating system. Windows and sorry, click this one, put it here. Most popular language in the world. Why is Java? Because it's one of the most popular programming languages in the world too. And then after, easy to use, learn, and it's open source and free too. So once you know this programming language, it's easy to use and it's easy to learn as well, and it's open source and free as well, so you can study online, you can store JDK for free, learn for free, because it's open source. Yeah, so that's why we use Java as well. And the other part of the Java, why we use Java, it's because it's secure, fast, and powerful language. So this language is secure, fast, and powerful, and it has huge community support like tens of millions of developers around the globe, and it's increasing more and more. Yeah, and it is Java is object-oriented programming language, which gives a clear structure to programs, and allows code to be reused, lowering development cost. Yeah, so Java is object-oriented programming language which gives clear structure to programs and allow code to be reused, lowering development cost. That's why we use Java. Okay. Another point would be Java is close to C++ and C#. It makes easy for programmers to switch to Java or vice versa. So close to C++ and C#, so you can you can switch to Java or those programming languages because it's similar. Yeah. Sorry. And to talk about Java, like let's say if your system to check if your system have Java or not, like how to check it. So you got terminal in Linux, or that's a CMD command in Windows, a terminal in Mac's operating system. Like just you have to type Java space version on your terminal or bash or cmd command. If you check this one, if you put this command java dash version, then if your system has Java or not, it will show it to you. So that's how you know if your system has Java or not. So in Java, every application begin with a class. Like, okay, let's do the quick start. Yeah. So about quick start. In Java, every application begin with a class name, and that class must match file name. And let's create our first Java file called main.java, which can be done in any text editor like Notepad. And the file should contain hello world message, which is written with the following code. All right. So I'll just open this one. Because I use Parental site, and I've probably have worked some of the feed project there, so I might close that one for a bit now. Taking a little bit of time, and it should be up. Alright. Just close these all. Java project name main finish. So go over here, source, right click, and you create a class here called main.java default package, don't worry about it. So here you go. Every Java file started with public class, so this is class. The main is a class. Then we need to write public static void main string string and argument, and curly braces. So that's a system. Print line. and that's a syntax. We gonna print hello world, and let's save this one and run it. It's over application account, and it's gonna say hello world. So that's how you write your first Java program here. So let me just tell you how to check if your system has got Java in it. Let me open the terminal. So Java version, there you go, tell me it's 17.0.2 LTS, so long-term service, I guess. That's how you check if your system has got Java in it. No. So that's all for today. I'll see you in another class. Thanks for watching.